UPC. Oh, UPC. Apa unuba? Tiuna be. Apa ini nyu? Itu normal. My honorable councillor is going to translate here. I am going to speak in English. I am here to announce that Jimmy Akena and Uganda People's Congress are contesting in 2026. So we're here mobilizing. I'm also here to support my candidates, but to make you assured that the Congress is back, the Congress is standing, and the future is going to be better. UPC erete bebea meko goro kui ker meko bukope don alobo unikoponi anyimwa bedale kadi machawa ker UPC kam. That is my brief message for now. But we shall be campaigning, we shall be available, we shall be making the news on where Uganda should be going. Okay. Campaigning Uganda also, we have those who are coming to contest under UPC. Who have already shown interest in landing the under-party ticket of UPC. Councillor 5. Thank
NBA is buying team. You know me, dummy bad way. Dummy, no papa. Chairman district. Chairman party district. District chairman Ikwere. UPC chairman, where are you? Welcome Mark. Welcome Mark, you come forward. Welcome Mark Ikwere. Yeah, you welcome the president. Welcome the president.
You tell tini ne ya morjo modushu kare yom twinya dum tutral. Everybody! Everywhere! Adit Yokiela Tinine Aquanyo Karane Majolo Jusho Karasiel Graduwa Party President Agago UPC UPC Let me not waste people's time here. I've got one question. Are you ready for change? If you're ready for change, Akena is ready to bring that change. So right now, we're here doing mobilization, but mark you, 2026, there must be change in Uganda.
2026, umiwalala kabeli ya Rukan. Uganda room.
So, I am here just to mobilize. I am also here to find out, are you ready to accept Akena? If we agreed on that one, you rest assured Akena is here, Akena is ready, and Akena is going to deliver the change we desire. We need justice. There's one area where justice has not been delivered. And this has to do with the animals we lost. We keep getting promises and promises, but those promises don't come to fruition. They see that people who are taking us for granted.
Whether they pay them or not, they don't care. But I want the whole of Uganda to know that our cattle is important to us and we are going to get our cattle back. If you have talked with us before, you are not going to talk with us tomorrow. It has been too long. So many young people lost opportunities. So many things should have happened which did not happen. But they have to happen now. And therefore the people of Uganda must receive the justice they deserve. I am honored to be here. And I'm honored also to meet people of different ages. Because of our society, it's important to be able to communicate to the next generation. Of late, I have been on a campaign for the restoration of the cattle in the North and Eastern Uganda. If I am elected, I want to go and meet Konyin Garamba. When I was elected, I went to see Koin. Now there are people who have been talking that Akena, no, Akena is too scared, he cannot stand. Which is harder, to stand for election or to go and see Koin in Garamba? I'll tell you, Garamba was harder. Me, I'm a politician. I understand politics.
An machalo na politician at dangi politics mabe.
I eat politics, I sleep politics, I think politics, I understand politics back to front.
Nano politics, chama politics, wajah politics, wabo, whatever gimoge ken, and young politics mabe.
And that is how I'm able to play politics without abusing, without insulting, without doing these other things which some people try to do.
And gin mo meo ikireme politics. Po beru lok me yetu danong, po beru chano danong, po beru lok me charge ki jemo kenani.
If you ask how is it possible,
Ke pele ni tuera ni mono kong.
I learned from the best.
Anyang wakitere.
I learned from those who understood that the issue of being in politics, the issue of being in government is to serve the people of Uganda.
Anyang bene mabe ni nero po politics. Ki bene politics. O beru me teach pil luak me Uganda.
Now there are those who came before us. What they put there continues to serve the people of Uganda.
Domo kena gubiano bene anyimo no one food ope gubiano me dong itinga meta mere lok me serve.
Everywhere I go in Uganda, I will find work which UPC did, which is still working for the people.
Kamoy ken ma chere ye achela chino gena UPC utimo mo pubere tiga tito konyo anywele me lo Uganda.
You go to a hospital, you find it is still working.
Cherbero aria putiga tijmo bere da.
Maybe they have not painted it, but they have not put medicine, but the hospital is still working.
Kono bene ka burope ye kono yape ye aria mer tiga waranyim.
So as UPC, ours is to put in place things which will help the people.
Machara UPC wano merwa ket jami makonyo dano.
That is what has brought me here today.
Jena do kera ile arpa do eneno.
To tell you that I, as Jimmy Akena, am standing for the presidency of Uganda in 2026.
Le wajuni an machara jima kena. Mwagali wario ki piari o yabiche. Abichun me pero president me Uganda.
Therefore, I am seeking your support.
Anati mere kai me penyo kui kibot wuna ye.
Such that when I'm in position, I'll be able to help the development which our forefathers did before.
Wakata anano ka kenyu jem mawugo ma tiyo ya nyimjani ana beru ki ker me tiyo ne mabere da wa chope ka ka.
Let us be restored to a state whereby we're able to develop and make sure we can guarantee a future for our children.
Mere wan o berga ka moma wan wa tamo do wa yo bera nyimpa do tiena wa tiji mari ka gen go don gen bene ki beru ki kar me beru mabe ya nyim.
These children need a future.
Do tiena wani ba gi mera nyim mabe.
We're living in an age where we're in a digital age.
Wando tiga beri kar mo madong beri kar yoni dong dong ni kar ne pepe do tuan.
If we're to work in a digital age, we must introduce the children to the digital tools of the age.
I don't want to tiga kar madong jem mo beri nyonyo pamono mer do tuan kong beri wan wa kinu tiana wani ijemi mer nyonyo wa gen beri go beti ngech pepe areda.
You cannot prepare them for digital future without the practicals.
Ko ge peramo lokani wo ki jem mo kumeno wang mai yu gi mape areda.
The same way you cannot make them as cattle keepers without the practicals of raising cattle.
Yin bere peramo ter gi chalo mer lu bok le ta endo yin pe wor ka chel ki gen ni wo ki yume wa ko le.
And therefore for me it's very important that that restoration must come first and come immediately.
Ki bara gena per tak ni roche ko miro chake ko mabe ka dong jame ni ko bin gena per tak no.
Then we can raise our children, we can teach them, we can groom them to become what we hope for them.
Chia da chiwa no be gwa lo tian wani wa be beru ke giva be chiwa yumo gi beru lo tian mabe pya yim.
That our children will be able to go further and do more than we're able to do.
Wa lo tian wani diri ma go chet ma bo gi tich ma megi miti mo jeme ma wan diri ma yo fo ni ni o mi go temi diri ma da.
Those are some of the dreams I share.
Man jem mo ma nok man be la atiki ye ma tika watch ne po.
But I have a lot of hope and I understand that the people of Uganda have the opportunity to make it.
Atiki gen da atiki neno ma ngioni jo wa me Uganda nyutano me lo Uganda ni ata ken go be tiu kin ma be pya yim.
And many people have paid the ultimate sacrifice for that to happen.
Therefore,
it is up to us to make sure we do what is right. And therefore, as for me and the fellow Congress people here, we are ready for the task. And we are ready, we are going to do what has to be done. Therefore, I thank you for your time and your I'm here just to introduce the topic. So whoever you meet, you tell them Jimmy Akena is standing for presidency of Uganda.
Jimmy Michael Akena, the president for UPC. Think the Billy Ballot will be the president of Uganda. Apoyo.
The president of Uganda here. Apoyo Mate, John Wahidi, Chairman Simon Opio Kahati, Jimalu, Melira City. Party President, the UPC. Mr. President, you can talk to this congregation that have been eagerly waiting for you.
Are you? UPC. 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 Get it. UPC. UPC. I don't have much to say. I am here to sympathize with those who lost people during the war. On my own part, as the Honorable Councillor mentioned, when I had the opportunity, I took the opportunity to engage point. Are you? UPC. When you come from Darling, or will you look for a president? Now we went. Yes. So I was saying I had the opportunity to engage point. It was not an easy choice, but I went and I engaged with Coin one-on-one. But I went there for only one thing. I wanted peace at home. We are able to get some level of peace. But you cannot be at peace when you do not have the means to live a comfortable life. When you're struggling for education, when you're struggling for fees, when you're struggling for medication, you cannot really be at peace. And therefore there's more that has to be done. And number one must be the animals must come back. Animals, we can help rebuild our lives. And that is why Jimmy Akena is standing in 2026. I want to see change in Uganda. I want to see the people of Uganda enjoy Uganda. I want to see the people's lives and properties protected in Uganda. We should not have a situation again where we lose people hopelessly. Therefore, let me ask properly, are you people ready for change? Are you sure? Can I see the hands? We are ready to bring the change. UPC, Jimmy Akena are ready for that change.